The old masters had secretive image projecting devices to help them draw faster and better. So hundreds of years later, why don't we have better ways to help today's artists draw faster and better? Sure, you could painstakingly copy a photo with a grid if you like mind-numbing monotony and accidental cubism. You could trace in the dark with an overheating art projector if you're into nocturnal arts and crafts. Or if you've always wanted to become a human copy machine, light boxes are great for tiny tracings. If only there was a way to use the old master's secrets to work faster and better from photos as well as from life, and not make you want to just give up and call it abstract art. Draw that bowl of fruit on your table like Caravaggio. Paint a live portrait like Vermeer. Use a photo reference to strand your ex-boyfriend in a surreal landscape like Salvador Dali. Well, you're in luck because I'm the knowledgeable disembodied narrator with all the answers. The Lucy Drawing Tool. The old master's secret tool totally reinvented for today's artists, with a larger, brighter, adjustable image, and the answer to all your problems. Okay, all your art-related problems. Here's how you use it. Clamp your Lucy to a table or easel, place whatever you want to draw in front of you, and look down into the view hole. You'll see your subject reflected over your paper or canvas, and you can adjust the brightness of the image as needed with the included optical filters. Draw what you see. Just draw around the image until you have a good sketch. Draw what you like, leave out what you don't want. Mark the outline, shadows, highlights, everything you need for your initial sketch. Then set aside your Lucy and finish your masterpiece however you want. The Lucy doesn't do everything for you. You still have to make all the marks and finish the sketch. Plus, it requires some practice and patience, but quickly rewards with amazing results. The Lucy allows you to work from life or from photos with the Photo Enlarger accessory. You can draw or paint with any medium on any surface. Pencil or watercolor on paper, acrylics on canvas, oils on panel, crayons on the wall, anything. Paint your family or friends, draw a charcoal portrait of your dog, paint a stunning landscape, add images to crafts. Recreate the last 6 months without that flaky ex-boyfriend. If you or someone you know wants to draw faster and better with the magic of the old masters, click the link below or go to drawlucy.com and order your Lucy drawing tool today. Thousands and thousands of universities, museums, and artists all across America and all over the world are already using the Lucy, like Lynn Hurd Bryant, who says, "I love this thing. It'd sound very dramatic if I tried to explain what a catalyst buying my Lucy was for me. Friends who once pushed me to try to paint again now wait to see my next painting. Even my children who used to blow me off artistically, I'm just their mom, now encourage me and ask for pieces for their homes." But what if you're already an unbelievably fantastic artist and not just according to your mom? Can the Lucy still help? Yes, the Lucy will help you work faster so you can keep up with the demand from your adoring fans. What if you can only draw stick figures but want to be the next Rembrandt? Well, stick figure to master painter may not be the next logical step, but yes, the Lucy can help you learn to draw. Drawing with the Lucy helps strengthen your brain-eye-hand connection, making it easier to record what you see around you on paper, giving you immediate results that'll keep you creating and improving over time. What if you absolutely have no desire to ever set pencil to paper or do anything even remotely creative? Can the Lucy still help? No. If that's you, why are you still watching this? Go find something else to do with your life. How does the Lucy's ancient technology work? Magic crystals, magic spells, magic mushrooms? No, while the Lucy does seem like magic because it actually works, it's technically science. The Lucy has a series of optical mirrors that act as a beam splitter working together with interchangeable neutral density optical filters, which superimposes a virtual image of your subject over your paper. So yeah, basically magic. No plugs, no batteries, no electricity, just the scientific magic of optics. Is this cheating? I've looked and looked, and I can't find anything about it in the art rulebook because, well, there are no rules. Plus, this is just a tool to help you create original art made with your own hand faster and better. That's why great artists like Vermeer and Ingres have been using these sorts of tools for centuries. Shipping? Yeah, we do that. We'll ship the Lucy right to your door anywhere across the USA and all over the world. The Lucy's quality made in the USA with fiberglass-infused polycarbonate and shatterproof optics built to last. But if you don't like it for any reason, you can send it back for a refund. So if you want to use the secret tool of the old masters to take your art to the next level, draw faster and better, then click the link and go to drawlucy.com and order your Lucy drawing tool today.